Hello guys, welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well and hope you all have a good day today in US stock market. So today we are going to review some of the trade that I did on and we'll check the overall market. How's the market doing? If you check the SPY 1 day chart on my right hand side, SPY is doing nothing, it's just choppy on a 50 simple moving average. And if you check the day 1 minute chart on SPY, it's above the VWAP, holding 600 level very well and just break to the high side. If we check the Nasdaq is also a choppy if we check the daily candle, but for overall on 1 minute candle for today, it's doing a bit of choppy on 21,800. So I traded a couple of stock today, as you all know. Let me show you my trade. As I mentioned yesterday, I have one open position before I end up the video yesterday on ALAB, and I end up take a profit. I don't know, it's not popping right here, but I did take my profit right here. See, so I shorted 50 share right here. I add more when in break to the high side. ALAB has earning yesterday after market, so I short twice and then after I take profit toward the downside. This is a double bottom, you can see a triple bottom, so I take a profit right here. So it's been a good trade yesterday, and today I gave some back on ALAB. So when the market open, I'm thinking it going to a drop. So I wait the first 5 minute candle. When I see the 5 minute candle on my right side, it's little bit look strong, but the reason I get short is I'm thinking it may be quickly it gonna drop to a 96 or 96.50, and then after it going to high side like double bottom. That's what I'm thinking, but that's not work. I short right here, but I did stopped out when it break 100 level. I get stopped out at 171. So I lose some of my profit right here. Then after I take one more trade when I see a big candle on 1 minute chart and also a sellers on level 2, I take small short, take a small profit on break even, and take another profit at 98.52. So this is also a good trade on ALAB, but end up I losing on my position. The best trade I have today on SHOPs. The Shopify has earning today pre-market, so it just break to a downside. Then after it just gapping higher. It hold the VWAP so nicely. It has double bottom right here. I take small short. I did not get stopped out. I want to see how this work. If it's break 125, I may stop out, but it not break. So I take a small profit right here. When the market open, I watch Shopify so closely. I check the 5 minute candle, it look little bit stronger, but then after it has double bottom. You see this weak candle on 1 minute chart right here. This is a weak candle. Then immediately it dropped to a downside, one big red candle toward the downside. If you check the 5 minute, it's the same setup I try to trade on ALAB, but that's not work. But here in Shopify, it's worked so well. So I make two times money what I lose on ALAB. So I short right here 122.69, take small profit toward the downside. My highest profit, the biggest profit I take is 118. So if you check, this is over $4 or $4.50 of money on SHOP Shopify. This is it's been a really good trade on my side. Then after it look very strong already on pre-market. So when it break above the VWAP, it hold the VWAP so nicely, the double bottom on the VWAP. So I take small long, add one more time. So my average is 120. I take profit toward the upside. So on Shopify, I did very well. I take small profit on Shopify, like two times on my daily goal. Then after I trade a PLTR, if you check the PLTR chart on one day, It looked very strong yesterday, but if you check what Palantir is doing, big green candle on one day, then after sell off. So green candle ready for the sell off. Also in pre-market, it look weak. If you check the 1 minute chart right here, it's look little bit weak. So that's the game plan on Shopify, Palantir. So what I did is when the market opened, I trade Shopify and ALAB. Then after I quick move to a Palantir, I take a small short right here, but I get stopped out. This is a double bottom like support area. I have to go long, but I'm thinking it maybe drop to a downside, but that's not work. Try again, take small profit. Then after try again, take small profit toward the downside. The same area that I want to try right here. The same area is gonna break here, so I just take a profit toward the downside. And then after one more trade, two trade, I get chopped out. Short right here, well stopped out, short stopped out. So I end up losing small on this trade. But overall, I'm in profit on Palantir. Then after I have one more trade on Tesla. Tesla, I have so many trade on end of the day, but this is very choppy. I'll show you what I have on now when the market open. I trade a small short right here, but I get stopped out. I see buyers and I get stopped out. But it end up hold 340, and then after it just break to the downside. I did one more trade right here, take small profit toward the downside, and the rest of the I get stopped out. I have pretty choppy trade right here, but the good trade is right here. I take small short, take profit toward the downside, and the same thing, the same trade I have is right here. Short 330, the key level is 330, and I take profit toward the downside as you see in my chart. And this is all the choppy trade. Small profit might be stopped out sometime on some of the trade, and then small profit. So end up break even in this all choppy trade. So I have one more trade on penny stock like small cap. Just with a very small share size, I just want to try. It look very strong when the market open. Hold the VWAP so nicely. Take small long, take profit, and get stopped out when it reject the VWAP. So that's all trade I have. I did today. So market is very choppy. I mean, if you check the overall market is very choppy, but most of the earning, it break to the high side, or some of the mega cap is just breaking to a downside, and the DoorDash is just break to the high side. If you check the lift breaking to a downside, it break high when the earning release, but then after it break to the downside. So end of the market is a little bit choppy. Can do anything, but I have one more earning, I guess. I think B. Let me check. Zillow has earning just gap to the downside. Also the SMCI. SMCI is earning break to the downside. Then after it popped up, then after drop to downside, then after it just hold the V wave right here, and then breaking to the high side. It now released the earning. I think this is a delay on earning, maybe. I'm not sure, I haven't checked the news, but SMCI is very choppy on earning. Break to the down, break, then after it rally to the high side, then hold this 38 39 area, and just break to the high side. So we'll see what market brings tomorrow. There's a lots of opportunity tomorrow. We will trade some this earning. We will trade SMCI tomorrow. We also going to trade DAS tomorrow, and we will see. I'll do a recap tomorrow as well, and I'll show my trade what I am going to do tomorrow. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope if you like this video, hit some thumbs up and share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to start your journey as a trader, feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and I will help you step by steps, and we'll go from there. And so we'll see you tomorrow then. Ciao.